According to reports from Bloomberg and TechCrunch this week, Anthropic, that's the company behind Claude, is in talks to raise a valuation of somewhere between $350 and $400 billion. Some sources are saying they're trying to rise up to $50 billion in a single round. To put that in perspective, that will put Anthropic ahead of OpenAI's last official valuation, and its secondary markets where employees and early investors trade their shares. Anthropic stock is reportedly trading at prices that imply a valuation as high as $1 trillion, a trillion with a T, for the company that 3 years ago most people have never heard of. Now, the second power move this week, the one almost nobody talked about, is what's happening between OpenAI and Microsoft. They officially restructured their partnership. Microsoft gets free access to their latest models for another 5 years. Plus, they killed that weird AGI clauses that could cut them off whenever OpenAI decided that hit artificial general intelligence. OpenAI is now free to sell their models through Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. Translation: OpenAI is too big for any single cloud providers to serve. Think about that. The company has outgrown the largest cloud platforms on earth. That's not a startup story anymore. That is infrastructure, and here's where it gets really interesting, because when something becomes infrastructure, government start paying attention, and this week, for the first time that we know of, the United States government actively blocked the rollout of an AI model.